All right, folks, good morning. Can everyone hear me okay? Testing one, two, three. Can everyone hear me okay? All right, there we go. Sorry. Few technical difficulties this morning, but we are here. So let's just rush through it. So for this morning, here's what we have to expect. So for Thursday, December 5th, we have unemployment claims, which came out worse than expected. Trade balance came in better than expected. And then we have nothing else. Challenger job cuts also came out earlier as expected. So that's all the news for today that we have to worry about. So pretty light day on news. As far as the markets go, yesterday the Nasdaq, the QQQ ETF we're looking at, of course. The Nas, oops, come on. The Nasdaq was bullish yesterday, and right now it looks like we're going to open slightly lower than where we closed yesterday. Taking a look at stocks which were active yesterday that we followed, we had the following. First up, well, actually, we only had one that worked out. We found several stocks, but only one of them worked out according to plan, which was Microsoft, MSFT, oops, MSFT, which was able to reach our target number two. Well, actually, didn't reach our target number two. It got close to it, but never reached it. Topped out at 439.67. T2 was at 439.86. Taking a look here at the pre-market. Oh, oops, 1 second. The scan is not on yet. All right, taking a look at the pre-market. Here's what I'm finding so far. So let's just rocket through this list. So first up, we have. I'll skip that one. First up, we've got. I think SoundHound. Let's take a look here. Yep, it's up 6% plus on 3.2 million shares roughly. Of course, it's at least $1 per share. We can go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list for stocks. Where's my notepad? There it is. All right, so again, the symbol is SOUN. Next up, sorry, 1 second here. I need to resize my screen. Next up is Riot Blockchain, I believe. Let's take a look. Yep, that's currently up 6.72% on 1.7 million shares plus over $1 per share, of course. So we'll go ahead and add Riot to our pre-market radar as well. Oops. Okay, next up is Mara, which is currently up 5%, so not up enough. We need to be up 6% or more, so we'll pass on that one. MSTR, that one currently up 9% plus 3 million shares, and of course is way over $1 per share, so that one is definitely added to our list. Okay, of course, Bitcoin is up big time, so that's, I assume, the reason why most of these are up. Next up is Tara. This one is up 111%, 36.6 million shares, over $1 per share. So TARA is added to the list. ProTara Therapeutics is the company's name. Next up is BJDX. Let me try it again. JDX. I typed the wrong letter. So that's currently up 69%, 12.2 million shares, over $1 per share, of course. So we will add that one to our list as well. BJDX. All right, next up is, let's see, NVIDIA is not going to count. CLSK might be. I don't think it is. Let's take a look. Nope, it's just barely outside of our qualification range, so we will skip that one. Robinhood currently up 7.3%, 3.2 million shares roughly, about $43 a share, so we can add that to our list as well. HOOD. Next up is SMCI. No, actually SMCI is not up enough. We'll skip that one. Next up is NNOX. That is currently up 15.45%, about 5 million shares. It's over $1 per share, so we'll add NN Nancy OX to our list. Next up is VVPR, which is presently up 6.5%, 3.6 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we got VV, Victor PR. All right. Next up is No, actually, this one I don't believe is up enough. SLXN. Yeah, it's only now it's down actually, so we'll skip that one. But either way, it didn't move enough. PRFX is next. That one presently is up about 93%, 17 million shares traded. It's at least $1 per share as well. So we'll add PRFX to our pre-market list. Next up, we've got INTC, but I don't think that qualifies. Yeah, it's only 1%. Last one I see on my list is STSS, excuse me. And yeah, that one up 5%, not enough. It was up a lot more. IBIT currently up only 3.88%, so we'll have to pass on that one. Okay. All right, so we got about another minute here before I have to wrap up and jump into the main room. So if you guys see any other stocks that meet all 4 criteria, let me know in the chat. We have a large list already, so let me just post that in the chat, and then if you see any other stocks besides these, let me know. Steve has mentioned a few. All right, so let me just run through those, Steve. BRTX. I don't think we mentioned that one. Nope. That's currently down 11.33%, 1.2 million shares. That qualifies, so we can add that. BRTX. Sorry. Next one, HRTX. See, we didn't mention that, right? Nope. HRTX currently down 7.96%, 1.4 million shares. It's at least $1. Yep. We'll add HRTX. RKDA. That is currently, wow, 188%, 16.7 million shares. That is a definite qualifier, so we will add that. RKDA, presently trading at around $7.50 a share. And last but not least, PBM, which, M4, which is currently up about 33%, 14.3 million shares, at least $1 per share. So that is added as well. PBM. All right. So that takes care of that, guys. So please be sure to like the video. See, we have, how many likes do we have right now? 12 likes, but way more than 12 people watching. So please be sure to hit the like button. Greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notifications. If anyone's watching this video on a replay, if you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com. That is our website. You'll see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone else, I'll see you in the coaching room at this point in about 8 minutes. We'll pick up for today's session. Then we'll be starting at regular time tomorrow. All right? All right, folks, have a great trading session. I'll see you for tomorrow's pre-market pulse. Take care.